Well, happy Cyber Monday. I have a slight problem. I need to figure out which of my orbs to share with my group. So I have this platinum version where it will take a break. It will show you a trap, break. So that one's pretty cool. Then I have the diamond, break, retest trap. And then it kind of shows you not really long, just more be aware that it's going above the VWAP. Look at this break and then retest. That's a pretty cool one. Then I have the executive, which is a break, trap, break. Another awesome one. Then the defender. So when it breaks above, it's looking to defend the upper orb. When price does go down, it does form a trap. And as you can see, break and then defend at the upper orb. So I like that one a lot too. The quantum, kind of the same, really the same. You break, defends, break, defends. So that's probably duplication. The titanium is just a cleaner version. Again, you break, trap, break. Man, these are just so good. And then, the oracle. So the idea actually is when confluence, right? So when you can see this is actually pretty cool. The upper orb is a Gann level. They don't always line up like that. Often they do. The midline actually, major Gann line, and orb traders that trade the 30 minutes orb typically stay out of the middle. But as you can see, if you're a Gann orb trader, you can see where you had, you could even move this to a 3-minute. And I mean, look at this. Well, you can't, if you drew this out. And again, height. Okay, so I guess backtracking, you definitely overall want to stay out of the middle. But there's nothing wrong with, trading. There's a million things going on, or a million ideas. If you see a bounce at an 8-8, bounce, right? You don't need to get in here. When it breaks here, you could wait, and then you can see that how it's kind of cool here. So you obviously aren't going to enter right here. And when it finally breaks, you get a nice opportunity here. You could take the break out, take a small break even loss, or I just break even loss, just break even. So if you get in, either if you had a small tight stop at the orb, or you just got in, a lot of things you could do. You could have scalped a little bit, and then as you can see, this is just taking off. I do have another version. It's the London. So for those that I don't know if this is coordinated just right. Yeah, it is actually. It is. So it has the Gann levels, and it has. Look at London. It has a nice first touch, came down, touched. I have another version of this one too. That's really good. This is the New York version with the orbs. So then you can see how this version now it has the orbs, and again, you can see a Gann level right here, break, and then this one isn't quite as good because you have a trap trade here. So that one's a kind of work in progress. I have this alien one that I've been working on, and it's okay. It's a different type of orb. It's different than a 30-minute. And this one I think is broken. I was working on this Omega one. I know the Omega London I think works. Yeah, the Omega London works pretty well. I'm still tweaking with this. So yeah, look at London here. Go back. Actually, if you look at the time of that isn't very good. The London orb should. Well, actually look at that. Interesting. I guess it just kind of continues on as an orb for London. So that's kind of interesting in a way, actually. So you have the highs and lows of the first 30 minutes of London. You do get a breakdown, and then right at the New York Open, right here, break up, retest the lower orb, a little bit lower, and then you can see how it plays out. And then even shows you the breaks off that. These are beautiful. So lots of toys to play with. Definitely will be sharing the best or all. I might just publish all of them for what people decide what they want to use, what they want to play with. So anyway, I'm looking forward to getting those out later today. And this is a mega one's going to be really good for New York. So I'll have this orb for London, and then a really like a kind of a clean version of this for New York. So anyway, good stuff ahead. I will post to our group later today, or for sure by tomorrow. Got to use these tools, especially when you're using the orb with Gann. It's so freaking powerful. All right, guys, later.